Hello, this is Katie and today is an unboxing day of my Relax and Craft subscription box. So I've just bobbed everything out of the cardboard box, the delivery box that it came in, but I haven't opened anything yet, so we're going to open it together. So as usual, we have got our gorgeous tasty biscuits and our cup of tea. So that's our relax bit sorted, nice cuppa and a biscuit. That's what us in the UK absolutely love, a cuppa and a biscuit. So, and then we're going to start opening these. So I'm going to leave this little one until last. So should we go gemstones or findings first? I think we'll go gemstones. So let's just open this up and see what we have got in here. Oh, so we've got 2 cabochons. That is a beautiful faceted Amazonite cabochon. Let me take it out of the bag. That is beautiful. Oh, it matches my nails quite nicely. That is gorgeous. Look at the facets on that. That is absolutely beautiful. So that's one cabochon. And then we've got another cabochon in here. This is a smooth cabochon. Now, to me, this looks like a flower agate. I could be wrong, but I think it's a flower agate. It is beautiful. It's really pretty. It does actually look like there's a flower trapped in there, doesn't it? But there isn't. It's just gemstone. So we've got 2 beautiful cabochons. That's got a wonderful dome on it. It's beautiful. So 2 little cabochons there. And you can see already, I think we all know what this one is. This is rose quartz. Oh, feeling it. It's a matte, like a almost frosted rose quartz. That is beautifully delicate. It looks like a 4mm, but I've not measured it. That is absolutely beautiful. Can you kind of hear that matte sort of sheen that it has on it? Absolutely gorgeous. So that's our gemstones. Oops, I popped it in the wrong place. I'll pop it down there. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. I can tell it's findings already. There is a lot. So we have some wire. We'll just have a little feel of that. Possibly 0.9, I think. 0.9mm wire, I think. I have not checked the list yet. I haven't checked out what's inside this month's box entirely yet. I'm going to be honest, I did know the medium, which is why I've left that turned over this way. So in here we have got earring wires and head pins, and again flat-headed head pins, which are my favourite. So we've got those findings. We have got some jump rings, always needed in all jewellery making because you need something to jump from one piece to the next. And then we've got a lot of chain, and there is some clasps in there as well. So we've got everything we need to put everything together, and some wire as well. So let's have a look in here. Now, like I said, I do know what the medium is, and it's something that I have done before. I will put some pictures on right at the very end of previous pieces I've made, not from this kit, because as you can see, I've not made anything with it yet. But that might give you a little clue. But look at everything that is in here. Wow, that is so much. So let's start with this one. This is your base. So if you haven't guessed already, the kit is it's called Shibori, which is it's a material. This is the Shibori. I'll show you that a little bit closer, but it creates the most beautiful designs because, as you can see, it's all folded, but I will show you that again in a second. So here, this is called beading foundation. So this is what we put everything onto to make our designs, and then you can cut out the shapes, and it's basically beading and sewing these on. But don't worry about the sewing aspect. If you think, oh no, I'm not a sewer, it's so easy. It's basically just a stab stitch. It's really, really easy. And then these, oh my gosh, these feel so good. These are like an imitation leather. It's not proper leather, you can see there. It is little probably be like vegan friendly and everything like that. So it's definitely imitation leather. I can feel that. But on this side, these feel amazing. So this is what you put on the back of your piece that you've designed, so that it's nice, feels nice against the skin and everything. So that would be the back, and your beading foundation would be on top, and then you'd make your design on here. But you would make your design, then attach the back like so. So those are fantastic, nice colours as well. Really, really like those colours. So let's move on to the exciting bit. Now this is Shibori. This is the most beautiful silk fabric. Wait until you see this. So it goes from this kind of like really skinny looking to this, and you can create like the most beautiful like shapes and waves and differences and make your design totally unique to yourself. So that colour is amazing. Look at that. That is it. They're very much Aurora Borealis, aren't they, in the colour? Oh, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. So you can gather the ends up, you can spread them out, you can do all sorts with them and like make your own unique design. You can make them so they're gathered up and then folded over, and then it all kind of separates, and you can pull all this out like little fans sort of thing, just like that. I mean, that just looks like a shell or something already, doesn't it? So, and you cut them to size as you're making them. But when you get a box like this, you get full instructions anyway. So you get a video tutorial, a PDF tutorial, you'll get everything you need, and the support of an amazing friendly Facebook group. So in here you have everything you need to put things together. So you have some sewing needles, you have your thread, and you also have, so these must be part of the design. So you have got some templates. So that's like a fan shape, and that's like an egg, or that sort of beautiful oval shape. So we've got a little clue as to what kind of designs we're going to be making. You do not have to make the designs that are given to you. They are for inspiration. You can do exactly as you want with your kit when you get it. So this is the last one. Wow. So obviously I'm not going to empty the beads out because they'll go everywhere. But let's see, these are like some little, you've got some sequins in there, you've got a little crystal in there, you've even got some like cup chain. That is beautiful. So this is all going to add more embellishment. Then, wow, you've got this beautiful crystal. It's not a gemstone, it is a man-made crystal. It's absolutely so sparkly and beautiful. And then you've got your coordinating bead colours that go perfectly with your shibori. So these you use to fill in all the gaps, plus you've got your cabochons that go with, plus you've got your gemstones. Wow, there is so much in this box. I'm flabbergasted by, that's a very British term, is flabbergasted. I'm shocked by the amount that's in this box. You will be able to make some absolutely stunning jewellery. Like I said, I'll pop some images of my previous, not made from this kit, previous makes of just kind of an example of what shibori is if you don't know. If you would like to get your hands on a Relax and Craft subscription box, is just down below underneath this video in the description. That is my affiliate link. I am associated with Relax and Craft just because I am occasionally a designer for her boxes. Now the designer for this month's box is the amazing Patty McCourt. She is an absolute seed bead wizard. She is just so special. She's one of the loveliest people in the world. She's absolutely a beautiful person. So also, normally when I post the video, of the Relax and Craft box. You can't get this box because it's already gone, because it's a subscription. Now, I know it depends when you're watching this. I know that there are a few spare. So if you click the link down below, if you're interested in this particular box, you may have a chance of getting one on the website. You don't have to sign up for a subscription if you don't want to, but you may be able to click on like past boxes and you may be able to grab this one. I know there are just a few spare. So stay watching, check out what Shibori is, because it's very hard to explain unless you actually see it, in a few images that are going to follow this video, and I will see you again very soon. Also, if you've stayed this long, you're just going to get a little sort of peek into next month's box without actually seeing it. But I just want to let you know that next month's box, I am the designer, the inspiration designer for next month, and it is the first ever box to contain 4 strands of gemstones. It is really gemstone heavy, and the design that I'm creating is beautiful. Okay, so I'll see you again really soon. Don't forget to stay for those extra images, and the link is just down below.